So this is the pound dollar analysis for Thursday, 21st of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So, more recently we came up to was this 134.29. We did see the sell-off all the way down into support in around this 33.04. Saw buy-side momentum take us up back to the 400 period moving average. Broke down, had a retracement all the way down to this weekly level at 33.68. We've had another test of the 400 period moving average. We saw a greater sell-off below this major level in around 33.50. In around this 33.50, the majority of the we have seemed to have found the support just there. Most of the candles which have traded below this 33.50 here, it's mainly been wicks, suggesting that there was a push to the downside, but buyer side momentum has re-entered the market. So from 33.50, again, we've had another test of the 400 period moving average and another test, and we weren't able to successfully break the 400 period moving average and head towards our 34.29. What we have seen, however, is a breakdown in prices from this 400 period moving average, and we do look poised for more downside momentum. So we've got highs over here, we've got a high there, and a high. We had a potential inverted head and shoulders. Didn't quite play out all the way up to that 34.29. So there's a shoulder. So we've got shoulder, head, shoulder. It didn't quite play out up to the 34.29. What we have seen is a breakdown as this 400 period moving average here has acted as resistance. Now, the breakdown in prices, we are potentially looking for prices to head down towards this 33.50. We do look poised to head down. They're currently 13 pips or so away. We'll see how prices react in around 33.50, where we do see a bullish bounce, possibly breaking above the 33.68, looking to target that 400 period moving average again, just to see how price reacts after the 400 period moving average. A successful break of the 400 period moving average, we're looking to see prices head towards that 34.29. If we do successfully navigate 34.29, the very next major level that we are looking at would be in around this 34.88, beyond which we're looking for 35.20 to the upside. So we've got 34.88 and 35.20. To the downside, however, if we do get a continuation and we are not able to hold the 33.50, so if you don't see buy side momentum coming at 33.50, we're looking for price to break down towards that 33.04, which has held on two more recent occasions, and we have seen quite a bit of buy side momentum off this 33.04, which, even though it's a weekly level, shows its significance. A break below 33.04, we do have to be aware that we might get a greater breakdown in prices. So if we do get a greater breakdown in prices below 33.04, we're looking to target 32.81, which is a very strong level as it's marked out here in red. A break from which we're looking for 32.20 again. It's a minor level, it's a weekly level, but again, we'll be looking for buy side momentum to re-enter the market for a possible move towards our 32.81 or 33.04. So what I expect to be the far end of the range in around that 32.20 and that 35.20. That's what I expect to be the far end of the range. But ultimately, we're looking to see whether we do achieve a double bottom down here for more buy side momentum to take us up to the 200, 400 period moving average. We've mentioned all levels that we are looking at present. The most recent trend does appear to be to the downside, as indicated by the consistency of the bearish candles, heading in a southerly direction towards that level, that area of interest in around that 33.50. And with that said, that's wrap up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.